Hello, welcome back to Osborne Insider, where you can get the latest information about our products, installation tips, and other news. A timeless piece that has been a popular customer pick for several years is the World Hutch kitchen island leg. This is part 1486 on our website. The traditional profile of this leg makes it a versatile option for your home project. It is 34.5 inches tall, which makes it great for kitchen island builds or tall counters. It can also be used on bathroom vanities or hutches. The 3.5 width provides plenty of sturdiness for a wide range of furniture pieces. One of the most interesting elements of this leg is the long top block, which is 12 7/8 inches tall. This allows for easier installation of drawers, shelves, or extended aprons. Underneath the top block, you will still find plenty of visually interesting design elements, including carved grooves, coves, and beads. The World Hutch kitchen island leg is available in a wide range of wood types, including cherry, red oak, poplar, mahogany, black walnut, and more. It will be sanded to 150 grit and ready to finish when it arrives at your door. Thank you for joining me for this Osborne Insider. If you would like to stay updated with our newest content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.